For the affected residents, the demolitions were not only abrupt but deeply traumatic. According to them, no warnings were issued, no compensation offered, and no alternative housing arrangements made. The devastation extended far beyond the loss of property as people were stripped of shelter, livelihoods, and social fabric that sustained them. In a bold move, residents supported by the Community's Alliance Against Displacement, CAD, have taken their grievances to the Federal High Court in Lagos. They are demanding justice, accountability, and enforcement of their constitutional rights. This legal battle has drawn significant attention, representing a critical test of the Nigerian government's commitment to due process and the protection of its most vulnerable urban populations.
As at December 15 or 16 that have started, but what we want justice. We want justice because people in that community, some people have died, while some are being in hospital. Some children, they cannot be able to go to school. Women, they cannot be able to do anything anymore. So we want government to intervene on the case of the community.
Movable and unmovable property was demolished. Since then, no government intervention, no any local government intervention, nobody pay us visit in the community. And every day, they used to, every day, all those hoodlums used to come to the community to be threatening us, intimidate, do different kind of things. Now we are outside inside rain. We family are outside inside rain. Nothing is done. The threatening is out of hand, and the intimidation also is out of hand.
That period, they are not been going to the school. We are not selling. We are not doing anything. Nothing is going on there. We are in outside, sleeping outside during the rainy season, during the winter, everything. We are in outside. We are in outside. Nowhere to sleep again. All this, but they are just coming us to threaten us. That they are coming on Monday. They are coming with task force again. They will demolish us. They will say they will should from this side. They don't want to say anybody. Everybody panic. You don't have anything. You don't have anywhere to go.
But unfortunately, on getting to court, we were told that the court is on strike and the case will not be heard as scheduled. So, but that is not stopping us. That is not dampening our spirits. The community is still very much resilient and also determined to follow this case to the very end and to ensure that due process and justice and accountability is being served.
As court precedents continue, the displaced residents of Ebute-Metta hold on to hope for justice, protection, and recognition. Their struggle transcends legal redress as it is a fight for the right of every Nigerian to live with dignity, without fear of sudden displacement, and to have their voices heard in a system that too often silences the vulnerable.